To set up your portfolio, begin by navigating to Fields from the main menu in FarmCommand. You will see a few options at the top of the screen. Select Grower. Next, you will click the plus icon on the right to add a new grower. On the new screen, select Grower from the category list. Type the grower name in the label. Then click Save. Alternatively, you could click Add New Asset to add more growers before saving. Back on the Fields main page, select Farm from the top menu. Using the same process, click the plus icon to add a farm. Name the farm and select the parent or grower. Next, you will place the farm on the map. You can do that by adding the latitude and longitude or by clicking the blue button to find the location on the map. If you prefer to look at a street map, you can change the layer type by clicking the layer button on the top left of the map screen. Then, use your mouse to scroll in and out of the map. Or, click and drag to move the map. Once you've found the location, click and drag the pin on the top right to the map. After you drop the pin, select Submit at the bottom. When you've returned to the farm creation page, you will either save or add a new asset. Now you're ready to add fields. Select Field from the top menu. Click the plus sign to get started. You will need to fill in any information that has an asterisk. I suggest adding as much detail as possible to ensure you have the best experience. Click Save or New when you're done. You will see the field added to the list, and now you will select the field. From the icons at the top, you will choose the square for borders. There are two other related icons. One for uploading borders and one for downloading borders. When I click on the square border icon, the map will open and there will be a toolbar on the right side of the screen. You will need to zoom or drag the map to find the field location. When you're in the general area, you might change back to the Esri map to get a better image of the land. Once you find the field location, select the polygon tool from the top of the toolbar. Begin drawing the border by clicking on the map and work in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. Each click will be a point on the border. If the field border is very detailed, it helps to zoom in and use many points. Here I have accidentally made an incorrect border, so I'm going to use the Delete Last Point button at the bottom to remove several points. Now I will finish the border. When you've finished creating points, close the polygon by either clicking the first point you made, or select Finish Drawing to connect the last point to the first. You can edit the border using the tools in the toolbar. Here I am going to use the Cut Polygon tool to remove a wet area of the field. I will zoom in on the area and create a polygon around the area to be removed. After I select Cut, I notice there is a point that doesn't seem natural. I will use the pencil from the toolbar to edit this point. To delete a point, I simply click on that point and the border adjusts. I'm happy with the borders and I will save this field. Now you're ready to build your portfolio. We hope you found this demonstration helpful. Thanks for watching.